My name is Marisela Gutierrez Cárdenas. I'm current leader of the Faculty of Education Sciences of the UNAD University Boyacá. It has been an enriching experience to serve the region with relevant programs that UNAD University has to reach communities where no one reaches and provides opportunities to the population that needs the most. This is how UNAD University has trained more than 400 professionals throughout the country, many of whom work in leadership positions in different regions. Research and extension projects have also been developed in areas such as education, health, environment, and economic development, environment, and the economic development. UNAD University is an institution committed to the regional development of Colombia through its open distance education, model distance education, and model. Thank you.